Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mohammad Arhad Ahmed, student of Rajshahi University, Department of Banking and Insurance. In this video, I will show you that how we can compute the future value. This is an example of finding the future value. Here we can see that uh, the present value is 1 lakh, then rate of interest is 5%, and the number of years is 6. That means if a person deposit about 1 lakh taka at 5% interest rate for 6 years, what amount he can withdraw after 6 years? So this problem is for the future value calculation. So let's start to calculate. Add a formula of future value. First of all, I have to put an equal sign. Okay, since this is a problem of finding the future value amount, so I have to add a formula of future value. Then that means FV. Okay, then double click on FV, and now I have to maintain this series. That means first of all I have to put the rate of interest, then number of period, then payment per year, then or per month, then present value and type. So first of all, rate. We can say that in this problem, in this value, the rate of interest is 5%. So first of all, I have to click on 5%. Okay, then put comma. The number of period, we can see that the number of period is 6 years. Okay, click on 6 years, comma, then payment. There is no any annuity, so the payment will be 0. Okay, and the present value, we can see that the present value is 10,000. Since the present value is under the third bracket, so I have to put a minus sign in front of the value of present. Okay, minus sign, and the present value is 1 lakh. Okay, and we know that this and we assume this that this problem will be held at the end of the period, so this is 0. Now I'm closing the equation or formula, and for this I have to put the last bracket. Okay, last bracket, and now if I click on enter button, then I will get the result. So enter. So we can see that if a person deposit about 1 lakh in a bank at 5% interest rate for 6 years, he can withdraw after 6 years about 1,34,009 $9. And we know that the future value means the compounding amount, and we know that future value means the compounding value of the present amount. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next video.